Hey, this video is going to be short. I had did a video, but it just cut off. I don't know what happened, but I used this brand. I kept burning my cornstarch doing chunks, so I changed my setting, and it worked out better. Me changing my settings, I had it all the way high. I took it down to almost preheat to defrost, and then back to preheat. Not burnt. A good crunch. Anybody know me? I can't stand this brand, but I like it in the chunk, not the powder form. Got it from Aldi's. They only come out once a year during the holidays, like around Thanksgiving, Christmas. Once it's done, they do not put it back on the shelves no more. So I got like 5 boxes. But anybody that's having problems making microwave chunk, just change your setting. That's what I had to do. So I had it in a Jiffy box, and I had it for 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Around 3:30, the box started popping out, so I cut it off. Set it on the counter. Don't see no big chunks. When I did the first video, I ate the big chunks out of it, but no burnt. You can see there's no burnt on there. Has a good taste. Some starches I prefer powder form, but this I prefer microwave. So I will do another video unboxing